Y'all ever cook a food that cause fight in y'all house? Well, let me tell you, them this a fight for biryani like them a fight for house and land. By the time me make two turn round and look back, the pot shine. So let me show y'all how to make this biryani that your family and everybody is gonna love. One of the most important things in any biryani dish is the rice. You want loose and fluffy rice, and soaking that rice at least half an hour before you start cooking is important. Ensure that you wash the rice at least 3 to 5 times and then soak in regular temperature water. While the rice is soaking, let's get working on the aromatics. Now, while the biryani mix is important, one of the most important things in my opinion is the onions. The onion gives that beautiful sweet caramelization taste to your biryani. Thinly slice your onions and fry on medium heat until they're golden and crispy. This time I decided to fry my onions a bit darker so that I can get a bolder taste and also darker color on the biryani. After removing the onions, I will add about 80% of that to another pan along with some ginger garlic paste and fry that down for about a minute to two and then in with your chicken. I soaked 2 cups of rice, so I used 2 pounds of chicken and 1 pack of the Shan biryani mix. In this video, it's safer to use a biryani mix if you have never made biryani before, but in the next video, I'm going to show you how to make the biryani spice mix from scratch. In addition to the Shan spice mix, I'm also going in with some garlic powder, black pepper, and chili powder. Kashmiri chili is usually used, but I didn't have any of that on hand, so I used the organic one. Add some water and allow the chicken to cook to about 80%. We're going to be cooking this chicken for a second time in this video, so you don't want to overcook it from the start. While the chicken is cooking, let's talk about the science of the rice. Now, the rice is one of the most important things when cooking biryani because the texture, the fluffiness, the loosiness of the rice is paramount. I mean, while the taste of the biryani is good, the aesthetics also has to count. So when it comes to rice, there is no one method that fits all. Different brands and types of rice will have different cooking times, so it will require some trial and error. For this brand and long grain basmati rice, I will be cooking this for just 6 minutes in boiling water. After boiling, you want to remove right away and add cold water so that it does not continue to cook further. Now that your rice and chicken are both done, let's get to layering the pot. What makes biryani special is the layering technique. So you need to use a pot that's going to be able to keep that steam in, that is big or small enough for the amount of rice to chicken ratio that you have, and that will make the layering just perfect. First, I went in with a layer of chicken, then rice, chicken and rice. You do that until all of your chicken and rice is finished. In between the layers, you can also add some chopped cilantro, mint, or fried onions to add to the taste. I omitted those because my family did not want it. While it's optional, you can also add some yellow coloring water or saffron milk to the top of the biryani for that iconic biryani look. I also sprinkled some fried onions and added some chilies. Then cover the pot with aluminum foil or cloth to trap all the heat in and cook for about 20 to 30 minutes on the lowest setting on your stove. After that, turn the stove off. Do not lift up the lid. Leave it to rest for another 10 minutes, then remove the lid, fluff up the rice, and serve. But that was not the case in my home. My sister literally stood at the stove with a fan, as you can see in the video, and cooling down this biryani so that she could dig in. And that was how the biryani finished in the blink of an eye and the big fight happened. Also, you would have noticed I omitted a few things in this biryani recipe. I left out tomatoes as well as yogurt because my family did not want it. The taste was not affected in any way, and I think I'm gonna have to make biryani again tomorrow. Thanks for watching, and let me know which recipe you want to see me try next.